Hi everyone, welcome to the Mysteries of the World. Please like the video and subscribe. The Sun is at the center of the solar system and all the planets orbit around it. The distance between the Sun and each planet varies depending on its position in its elliptical orbit. Here is an overview of the average distances between the Sun and the planets in the solar system. Mercury, 57.91 million kilometers, 35.98 million miles. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has the smallest orbit. It takes just 88 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Venus, 108.2 million kilometers, 67.24 million miles. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is similar in size and composition to Earth. It takes Venus about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Earth, 149.6 million kilometers, 92.96 million miles. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only planet in the solar system known to support life. It takes 1 year, or 365.24 days, for Earth to orbit the Sun. Mars, 227.9 million kilometers, 141.6 million miles. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance in the night sky. It takes Mars about 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Jupiter, 778.3 million kilometers, 483.8 million miles. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and is fifth planet from the Sun. It takes Jupiter about 12 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Saturn, 1.43 billion kilometers, 886 million miles. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is famous for its beautiful rings. It takes Saturn about 29 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Uranus, 2.87 billion kilometers, 1.78 billion miles. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and has an axis of rotation that is tilted at an extreme angle. It takes Uranus about 84 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. Neptune, 4.5 billion kilometers, 2.8 billion miles. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and is the eighth planet in the solar system. It takes Neptune about 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. It is important to note that the distances between the Sun and each planet are constantly changing as they orbit the Sun, and can range from their maximum distance, aphelion, to their minimum distance, perihelion. The distances given above are just the average distances between the Sun and each planet. Let's see what happens if the Sun comes close to Earth. If the Sun were to come too close to the Earth, it would have catastrophic consequences for life on our planet. The Sun's gravity holds the planets of our solar system in their orbits. If the Sun were to move closer to the Earth, the gravitational forces between the two would increase, and the Earth's orbit would be affected. This would cause the Earth to move closer to the Sun, leading to a variety of disastrous effects, including extreme heat. The Earth would experience a significant increase in temperature, resulting in scorching heat waves and widespread droughts. Tidal forces. The gravitational forces from the Sun would create tidal forces on the Earth, resulting in massive tidal waves and ocean currents that could cause widespread flooding and destruction. Radiation. The Sun emits a large amount of radiation, including ultraviolet and X-rays. If the Sun were to come closer to the Earth, the increased radiation could cause widespread damage to the Earth's surface, as well as harm to living organisms. Atmospheric disruption. The close proximity of the Sun to the Earth would cause disruptions in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to storms, hurricanes, and other extreme weather events. In short, if the Sun were to come too close to the Earth, it would be catastrophic for life on our planet. Fortunately, the distance between the Earth and the Sun is very stable, and there is no danger of the Sun moving closer to the Earth in the near future. Thanks for watching.